42nd edition of My Glam Film Fair OTT Awards 2021.
I thought they started the show without me. You know those extra scary dreams? The ones where everything goes wrong? The ones you always have before an important day in your life? Just imagine if you were to host India's best and brightest OTT artists and celebrate their excellence at the My Glam Film Fair OTT Awards, but you're late for your own show. You know why? Because your clothes are still not dry. Ah! But fortunately for me, that will always remain just a nightmare, thanks to my Bosch washer dryer. I can't wait to have unbelievable amounts of fun at the My Glam Film Fair OTT Awards 2021. And all you guys have to do is tune in and join in the celebration.